Здравствуйте, друзья! Hello, my friends! It's your Russian teacher Alicia here again. Today we are talking about a little cultural trip many foreigners fall into when they want to say happy birthday in Russian. You want to be kind, you want to sound polite, but you say the wrong thing. Let me tell you a quick story. Once my student Tom learned to say "С днем рождения", means happy birthday. Tom was so proud, but then he added, "Желаю тебе много удачи. I wish you lots of luck." Sounds fine, right? But the Russian friend gave him a strange look. Why? Because in Russia some birthday wishes just don't feel right. Let me explain. Don't overdo luck. Be careful with удача. Удачи. Желаю удачи. In Russian, удачи is okay, but too much focus on luck sounds like you need it because things might go wrong. It's better to say желаю счастья, здоровья, wishing you happiness and health. Или желаю удачи и здоровья. This is the classic. Russian wish happiness and health always come first. Next, please don't say поздравляю тебя с твоим днем рождения. Technically, it makes sense, but it sounds too formal and wordy. Russians keep it simple. С днем рождения. That's it. That's enough. No need for extra words like твоим, тебя, с твоим, and so on. Just с днем рождения. And it's so important. It's just you must remember this. Never congratulate early. Never ever. This is a real superstition. In Russian culture, you don't say happy birthday before the actual day. It's considered a very bad luck. Imagine texting с днем рождения a day early. Some Russian friends might really get upset. Wait until the right date. Don't do this. It's really serious. Be really serious about it. Don't joke about age. Oh, never. Especially if you're talking to a woman, unless you're very close friends. As in many cultures, some Russians might not like jokes about getting older. Saying things like "Ого, уже 40. Wow, you're already 40" might not be taken as a joke. Stick with kind, warm wishes instead. Don't talk about the age. Don't ask about the age, especially it's a woman, please. Never. Ever. So if you are learning Russian, use the Russian phrase proudly. С днем рождения. С днем рождения. С днем рождения. So you can say с днем рождения. Желаю счастья, здоровья, радости. Don't say things like поздравляю с твоим днем рождения or send wishes early or over focus on luck and age. So now you know how to avoid these little birthday mistakes and sound like a real Russian and like a real Russian speaker. Practice with me in the comments if you want. You can ask any questions, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Пока-пока, до свидания, спасибо.